Ìjókíjó níjó asínwín, ayọ̀káyọ̀ ní ti ayọ̀ dìndín. The imbeciles has a kind of laugh. And the mad lunatics have their own kind of fun, laugh. What I'm talking about today is happiness. And if I say to you that happiness is an illusion, don't doubt me. Happiness is an illusion. It's imaginary. It is something that has nothing to do with outside. It's within you. Happiness. Because when you say if you are rich, you will be happy. I will tell you that it is when you are rich that happiness disappears. And some will say, it's because I'm poor that I'm not happy. No. It is because you are making yourself unhappy because you feel, because you do not have money. That is why you are not happy. I will tell you a story. I often come up with stories to let you know the essence of my story. A friend of mine, where I used to have farm, has a lovely wife. And a friend of mine in Victoria Island, an opulent part of Lagos, has a wife. So they both want to have their birthdays. They want to celebrate their birthdays for their wives. My friend, the one that is rich, bought a brand new Prado Jeep for his wife. We celebrated at Sheraton Hotel. We were there all happy, all giggling, but the wife was not happy. They were close to me, the couple that are close to me. Then I went to the wife. Hey, Nino, why are you not happy? This is supposed to be your day. He said, no, Remy, I will tell you later. The enjoyment was going. And then I went towards my friend again. Why are you not happy? This is your day. You celebrated this for your friend, for your wife. And you call us, your friends, to be here to celebrate with you. We are all happy, merry. But you are not happy. Your wife is not happy. Then he came to me and said, do you know what is happening? I said, tell me what is happening. He said she's not happy because the Prado Jeep is with a red color. She wants a white color. Then I said, is that all? That you are even happy enough to buy her a car? Doesn't make her happy. He said, no, she wants a white color. But all I can get was a red color, all brand new. I laughed, we celebrated, and we left. When it was around 2 o'clock, he called me to say I should come and listen to the wife. The wife is giving him so much problem. He cannot sleep. I cannot touch her. Even ordinary smile is not giving. What is the cause? The same thing, the car. I laugh. Now, to my friend, the farmer, he called some friends. Again, I happen to have a little farm there, so, well, it's my friend. We strolled together. So I was invited. We got there, mom brought us chicken, palm wine, and we were so happy. So when the wife came from market and he saw us sitting down, he now asked the husband, what is the celebration for? He said, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. The one said, my birthday. She went straight on her four legs, knelt down, sat thanking the husband. He said, why are you so happy? He said, hey, me. He has time to take his chicken and kill for me and celebrate with me. Oh my God, she was so delighted. Money don't bring happiness, and poverty do not bring happiness. What then brings happiness? It is you. Happiness is self-induced. If you see little things and you do not take cognizance of it, you do not see the power of God in rats. You don't see the power of God in animals. You don't see the power of God in even the wife you are living with, a human being like you that can have a baby. It's not enough for you to be happy. Then what is happiness? Happiness is in self-induced, something you think of and turn into you. So my friend, do one thing for me. Look at little things. Ordinary plants. This one was planted about maybe 4 years ago. Now we take fruit from it every year. If one can look at this and do not see the power of God, and do not see what will make him happy, and is now brooding on the problem he has, who on earth don't have a problem? Tell me that a person do not have a problem? The size of the head is the size of the cap. The bigger you are, the bigger your problem. The smaller you are, the smaller your problem. In between all this, create time to be happy. That you slept and woke up in peace is happiness on its own. That you can carry your hand is happiness of its own. Your leg, your arm, you can talk, people can hear you, you are not in the asylum, you are not in the prison. What will not make you happy? It is only you that limits your happiness. Hey, I am the happy one. Every day that comes, I am happy. Every day that comes, I'm always happy. In between cries, I even smile because some has more problem than mine. Anjanu is my name. You should know that by now. This is Anjanu's channel on YouTube. Find time to listen to me. Certainly nothing to lose, but much more to gain. There's so much to see in the world of Anjanu. Respect.